Okay, so this program is asking us to just write a program that asks the user to enter their age, and it prints out a simple statement that asks if they are able to drive or not. So in Ontario, we can drive when we are 16 years or older. So we're going to just need to use a bit of an if statement to answer this question. And we'll go to our IDE. So I need the age of the person running the program, so probably an integer. So enter your age, and so if the age is bigger than or equal to 16, then we'll print you can drive. And if they are not bigger than or equal to 16 years old, then they cannot drive. Drive yet. Okay. And we'll just give this a run and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to enter my age. If I'm 18, so it prints I can drive. And if I'm 12, then it prints you cannot drive. So that seems to be working as expected.